Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Mark Z, Empire Digital Resources. Going to do a little quick training here on how to set up a live YouTube stream. Now, a lot of you know how to do this. One of the first problems I ran into was that Wirecast, which is the top choice, didn't work. And of course, then your next choice was a Flash alternative, which of course, if you're still using Flash in 2018, you probably ought to need to be shot. So anyways, you come into YouTube and you come into your creator studio, which I just did. And you come over here to live streaming and you go down here to events. And now you want to schedule a new event. And once it pulls up, you can schedule it to go at whatever time you need it to go. I'm personally going to probably release this about 1:30 in the morning. But you got your different times on here. And so you do that. And then you can come in here and, excuse me, put your title in, which I'm going to do here. And let me go grab that off of another screen. And what you're looking at right now is what we're going to be using here in a second. So I'm back to my screen. And basically I'm doing this as I'm getting ready to do a live stream for my training course here. And let me get back to the other screen. Where the hell did it go? It's right here. No, it's right there. There it is. And we go ahead and plug that in. And then, of course, like any good monster SEO creator, whatever you want to call yourself, you go back here, do a select all, you grab your little shebang. I got my shebang right there. I guess we call it a shebang. Is that kind of cool? I make up words as I do these videos. You put your shebang in there for your description. So there you got your shebang in there, banging right along. And then, of course, you want to get your keywords. So I've got in here my description. Get them by my other thing, though. Hang on here. Yeah, come back in here. You grab all your keywords like this. And, went too far. Okay. Grab that like that. And then we go back to your other window. And you come in here. And you throw in your tags like you would for any video. And make sure you have under 500, obviously. It looks pretty good so far. Now, one of the things I will say about creating an event, if you're not, in fact, doing a really live event, I would disable that, and I would automatically block spam messages. So now the event's been created. Pretty simple, right? I think it's been created. We shall see here in a second. It's getting created. So why, oops, did I miss something on basic info? Your tags are too long. Okay, so I did. Let's go ahead and get rid of that tag there. Now let's try to create the event. And okay, so I think it took it that time. All right, so one of the things I did on my first, I didn't change the thumbnails. So make sure you have your thumbnails ready to go. I use Canva, as most of you probably do, to create your thumbnails. And that's it. Nope, that's not it. Wrong one. There it is. All right, here we go. And so you grab your thumbnail that you created in Canva. As you all know, the size of those thumbnails are 1280 by 720. You pop that baby in there just like that. And now you do I use a single stream key. And now here's the part that a lot of you haven't maybe tried yet. I know a lot of you maybe have tried it. Like people that use Twitch have probably already used this. But I use the other encoder. So the Wirecast thing, for some reason, and I use a Mac, but I got access to a PC laptop also, and it didn't work on there. It crashed on me. both times. I tried it several times, tried several different things, never works. I just said, you know what? Screw this. Don't use that. That's stupid. Flash Media Live encoder. Don't use that. Go to other encoders. And I'm going to tell you where to get this other encoder in a minute. It's pretty easy to get. So what you need to do is you need to copy the stream name. It's really simple. That stream name there, you just copy it, right? All right. So now let's go into the actual streaming device. Okay, so this is OBS. I guess it's open source streamer, whatever the heck it's called. And when you open up OBS, this is version 21.1.1 modified for the Mac. You're going to have a automatic setup. Use that to set up your first one. It's really simple. Then from there on out, all you have to do is go into settings. Now, what that is going to do, actually, it will take and it will optimize your stream so that you're ready to rock and roll straight up, you know. So we're going to go into, so you got your general settings. Don't touch anything in here. It's already been optimized. Go into stream. Now, what you need to do is you need to pop in your new stream key. And that's all that is a stream key. Good enough. And I think that is it. You should be able to say OK. The bottom there, OK. You got the new stream key. So you're ready to rock and roll at this point. So now you go back over here to your YouTube channel. So remember, here's your stream name. It also is a stream key for OBS. You've got your thumbnail in place, right? And now it's time to go to the live control room. And it says, we're not receiving data from encoder. Real simple. Just go into OBS and you do the start streaming stuff. Now, once you do that, yay, it's streaming. You'll see the status is good. The health is good. Don't worry. As long as your status is good and the health is good when you pop it open, you're good to go. Don't even worry about it. Look at that. Pulled my thumbnail right in there. It's ready to roll, rock and roll right there. So I can start streaming right now and get this video going, but I'm not. So all you have to do to stop streaming is obviously click on stop streaming. Now, what you want to do here is you're going to load your sources. And I already have a video prepared. So the nice thing is you can load images in here. You can load videos in here, whatever you want to load while you're live streaming. A PowerPoint, for example. You can load a PowerPoint in here and live stream this thing. So the first thing I've been doing, you can just leave it a blank screen too. I mean, whatever you want to do. Personal choices. It's a free world, right? You go in here, and what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and load the YouTube thumbnail for this video stream I'm going to do here. And I'm in the wrong folder. Need to be on my desktop. Here we go. So here is the thumbnail. And you put that in there just like that. And you say, okay. So now when the stream starts, that's going to be on the screen when the stream starts. What happens is, as you can see, this is like the mic aux is going, right? What I'm going to do now, and I haven't quite got this down, is I'm going to add a media source, which I'm going to upload a video in here. And the source becomes active. Nope. I think I'm going to check that. This is something I'm trying. That seems to be, maybe that is what's causing it to start up right away. I don't need it to start right away. So it's a local file. Now you can also download files from the internet, obviously, if you need to use an MP4 from somewhere else. So I have this MP4 ready to roll. It's a video from this morning. And I'll pop it right there. And see, it starts up right away, which I don't want to happen. So that part I haven't quite got down yet. So I would suggest you just adding it as you're getting ready to stream. So we're going to go ahead and, remove the media source. Nope, leave the image in there. We'll remove the media source and get that baby out of there. So what I would do for now is, as you can see, you see the sound bars down here. You can go ahead and just, rock out, talk over this. And then when you're ready to actually show the video, that's when I would add the media source. Because the minute you add that, the other sound bars came up here. I didn't know if you saw that. Those will come up and they'll start going. And if you do it just right, you can fade your voice out. This is a fader right here for your microphone. Boom, pop it down. And that is it. So I've been using OBS. This is OBS 21.1. I will have some links in the notes below of where you can get this. This is a Mac, PC, or there's another Linux version. You can get both. It's open source software. So that is it. Streaming YouTube. As you can see, it says receiving no data because I'm not streaming right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful for you. And that is it. Peace out, YouTube.